Hey, Susan Berkley back with another edition of the Inside Voiceover video training blog on location. I am really sitting in a park, not in a studio. I know it's so gorgeous it looks fake, right? But I think that's poison ivy next to me. I'm not going to put my hand on it to find out. But anyway, this week I have answers to another great question from one of our subscribers, a question you probably have on your mind as well. It's about demos. And so people often ask, what types of demos do I need? And there's bees buzzing around me. This is how you know it's real. Hopefully, it won't land on me. Anyway, so I want to answer your question about demos because people want to know often. Okay, I get that I might want a commercial demo. I get that I might want a non-broadcast demo. But what if I do animation work? And what if I have great character voices and things like that? Look, that's wonderful. But I think as a beginner, you got to keep it focused. I think everybody needs a commercial demo. Why? Because there's so many of them out there. The opportunity is huge. And you should have a non-broadcast demo as well, where you can put samples of e-learning and voice prompts and all those things that are not broadcast on TV and radio that make up so much of voiceover work, including medical narrations, things like that. So you can kind of have a mixed demo for non-broadcast and then a basic commercial demo where if you do great character voices, you can showcase a few of them there. And also, you character voice people, why not put those to work in audiobooks? That's a third type of demo, but I don't want to muddy the waters today. I hope that answers your question. And by the way, if you have some questions, send them in to me at susan@greatvoice.com and I'll get them answered in another edition of the Inside Voiceover video training blog. See you next week.